Quizzle features, strengths, weaknesses. Quizzle is a relatively new, AI-powered quiz and learning platform primarily targeting educators and corporate trainers looking to automate and enhance the assessment process. Its core feature set revolves around AI-generated quizzes, adaptive learning paths, and detailed analytics. Key features include its ability to generate quiz questions from uploaded documents, URLs, or even free text inputs, saving educators significant time in content creation. Adaptive learning is implemented through AI analyzing student performance in real time, automatically adjusting the difficulty and content of subsequent questions. This ensures learners are neither overwhelmed nor bored, optimizing knowledge retention. The analytics dashboard provides granular insights into individual student performance, overall class progress, and the effectiveness of specific quiz questions. This allows for data-driven course adjustments and personalized feedback. Quizzle's strength lies in its ease of use and the time savings it offers. The intuitive interface requires minimal technical expertise, allowing educators to quickly implement the platform. The AI-powered quiz generation and adaptive learning significantly reduce the workload associated with traditional assessment methods. Furthermore, the detailed analytics provide valuable insights that are often difficult to obtain manually. However, Quizzle has weaknesses. While the AI is generally accurate, the quality of AI-generated questions can vary depending on the quality of the input material. In some cases, questions may be factually incorrect or poorly worded, requiring manual review and editing. Another limitation is its reliance on internet connectivity. A stable internet connection is required for both content creation and student participation. Finally, while the analytics are comprehensive, they may be overwhelming for some users, requiring a learning curve to fully utilize their potential. Quizzle is best suited for educators and corporate trainers who need to create quizzes quickly, personalize learning experiences, and gain data-driven insights into student performance. While it requires careful oversight of AI-generated content and a reliable internet connection, its time-saving features and adaptive learning capabilities make it a valuable tool for enhancing the assessment process. In conclusion, Quizzle presents a compelling solution for modern learning environments, offering a blend of AI-powered automation and detailed analytics, but it's essential to be aware of its limitations to maximize its benefits.